Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Realtek Audio Console keeps popping up and refreshing. So first things first, go down to your search bar and type in Realtek Audio Console, then open it up. Once you're inside the app, take a look at the bottom left corner. You should see an option called Device Advanced Settings. So go ahead and click on that at the bottom. Now, once you click that, this is where most people don't usually check. But this section is actually very important when it comes to fixing audio detection issues. So under connector settings, you'll see two key options in here. So you'll see enable jack detection when devices plug in or disable front panel pop-up dialog. So you should see that in your side. Now, before you start changing anything, make sure your audio device, like your headphones or speakers, is already plugged in. This is important because these settings react differently depending on whether something is connected or not. Now, here's the thing. There's no single setting that works for everyone. That's why a lot of people get confused or think the fix doesn't work. The truth is, you just need to try different combinations. So let's go through it step by step. So first, try turning both options on. If that doesn't fix for you, don't worry, we've got other combinations to try. So next, you can try turning off enable jack detection when device is plugged in, while keeping disable front panel pop-up dialog on. So some users reported that this setup worked perfectly for them. If that still doesn't work, you can go ahead and try turning both options off. It might sound a bit weird, but for some setups, disabling both actually solves the problem. And if needed, you can also try the last combination, turning enable jack detection on while turning the other option off. So basically, you're just cycling through all possible combinations until you find the one that works best for your system. After each change, make sure to test your audio, play a video, a song, or any sound just to check if the issue is fixed. Also, if nothing changes right away, try unplugging and plugging your device back in after adjusting the settings. So sometimes that helps the system recognize the changes properly. And if you're still not getting any sound, you can also try restarting your computer after applying the settings just to make sure everything refreshes. So to do that, click on the start button, click on the power button, and tap on restart right here. And that should be it. So just keep both options turned on and everything worked perfectly after that. So just take a minute, try each combination, and you should be able to fix it. And that's it. Thank you for watching.